Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize make.com to create tasks in Jira step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to make.com. Log in to your make.com account. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Locate the Create a New Scenario button and click on it. In the scenario editor, click on the Add Module button. Search for Jira in the module search bar. Select the Jira module from the list of results. You will see a prompt asking you to connect your Jira account. Click on that Add button to create a new connection. A new window will pop up asking for your Jira credentials. Enter your Jira instance URL, typically in the format https://yourdomain.atlassian.net. Next, input your email address associated with your Jira account. Now, you will need to enter an API token for authentication. To get the API token, log in to your Atlassian account. Go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Security section. Find the API token option and click on Create and Manage API Tokens. Click on the Create API Token button. Enter a label for your token, such as make.com integration. Click on the Create button. Copy the generated token to your clipboard. Return to the make.com window and paste the API token in the corresponding field. Once all fields are filled in, click on the Continue button. Make.com will attempt to validate your connection. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. Click Save to finalize the connection. Now, you can select actions to create tasks in Jira. Choose the specific action you want to perform, such as Create Issue. Fill out the necessary fields for the task you want to create. Once you've configured the task, click on the Save button. Your make.com scenario is now set up to create tasks in Jira. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.